Here we go. Yeah, just a ring.
Just while we work out what page of the programme we're on, we're now seeing the pre-war cars. That's pre-war meaning pre-Second World War. So these are cars from the 20s, 30s, and always good to see. Bear in mind that these were everyday vehicles when steam rallies were beginning in the early 50s, and people were travelling by their own transport to come to. One of the amazing things about the steam rallies, such as we're at today, is this is where the everyday becomes history. Just a little parochial announcement from David.
We've got a VW car, or whatever it might be, VE20 SON, parked in the track area in the way. The owner, please remove it from there, park it safely. VW. Ah, there we go. There we go. I think we've been moved. Sorry about that, sure. The VW CE20 SON. In the trade stand, please can be removed immediately. Number 4.
That's a Wolsey from Nigel Pocock and Martin Drake QE with a Warwickshire registration. Interesting, might come and find a story of that a bit later.
Yeah.
As a Warwickshire man myself.
And then.
Lost in 7 special.
Yeah.
Beautiful, lovely, good morning. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
CYB, that is Somerset, isn't it?
We played this game last year, didn't we? You were very good at it, you were. Not me. But I think we've got a good turnout of pre-war this year. Last year David and I took a wander out into the arena. We went and shoved the microphone under the noses of the good folks who brought the cars to see us today. But we're not going to today. We're going to let them line up. There's 40 odd entered, which is a really good entry, and we'd never get time to describe or talk about everything there. But do have a look at these cars when they're parked up, because you've got an incredible selection of motor cars, from saloons to cabrios, open tops, tourers, and so many different manufacturers. Well, look at the difference in the styling between the 20s and the 30s. The Wolsey from 1923 coming up in front of us there, and he's parked alongside. What's he parked alongside? Austin 12.4, and there's 10 years between them. But look at the styling. Look how different the bodies are, and look at how technology's progressed in that decade.
Yeah. But coming by us now, number 2, a Maxwell Tourer. What have you got to say about that?
Well, Max voice, and a lot of these other smaller capacity makes like Alvis and some multi-voice and Bentleys, they were not unusual to have bodies outsourced, or even sent to Switzerland. An example of a Swiss or Austrian body. You can see that in a minute. Right. Number 12. I don't know whether box 39 is a proper registered, but that would be West Midlands, wouldn't it?
I'm not sure. That's
I think, I'm not sure.
you'll have to go and take the microphone out and talk to people, and they'll all run away. They'll all run away from us.
They will.
How many Austin 7s they got on the school playing field?
200?
Well, I said several hundred, 300. He said keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah. They had opals there. Look at that.
Yeah.
That radiator in the front. The cab.
Yeah, it's always a big... Mr. Kay, our local military enthusiast, his son's absolutely...
And he's got the back open, the dicky seat, so
Yeah.
you can see how that was extended.
There's your car out for the KR. There you go. There you go. Well, that looks full, doesn't it? There you go, family and that. UJ 1352. Talking about that earlier. Here we go, we've got our own cameraman here, by the British, doing a city film.
You better get it right then, David.
Yeah, on YouTube.
We had Richard Hammond last year. And,
Yeah, and now we've got, well, I don't know him.
well, you've just got to immortalise yourself on the DVD or on YouTube.
I think we better get signed up for some royalties on this.
Magnificent Maxwell Pass.
Yes.
I do have a soft spot for those.
Yeah. And believe it or not, Americans were pretty good at importing cars.
They were,
Yeah, they were.
Consider what the home-built business that we have.
Yeah.
And you actually look at that jumping up and down and speed cameras and everything, instant penalties. This does remind us that motoring can be fun.
Yes. And as I was told by a friend of mine, I'll mention his name, Mr. Conrad Senior. He said, just remember, chap, this was in the 70s and we were in Mitchell's Castle. This is your hobby and you enjoy it.
That's
And make myself understood.
Yes.
Speaking of sandwich, I don't think you get a cup of tea or sandwich off them, but I would say a bit of conversation.
I think you get a really good conversation. Parish notice, everybody please, if you are the owner of a Ford Transit Connect, registration YR60DDA, that's Ford Transit Connect YR60DDA, parked by the oil engines, please can you move in urgently as you're in the way of the tractor ride. So Ford Transit Connect YR60DDA, near the oil engine, please can you move it because you are in the way of the tractor rides. Thanks very much.
Here we go, Andrew. Here he comes. That is some classic thing. And if my memory serves me correctly, yes. But the memory serves me, it is Mr. Farrell from Chester.
Yes.
Is it? Without looking.
I didn't know.
What is it? It's it is anyway, I know. Of Albion fame. He's got an Albion lorry. Yeah. So I know him. He wants to go around again. Yeah. He wants to put a pub.
Well, look at that. You see how much space is up there?
Yeah.
That car is taken up with energy.
Yeah.
And there's 2 seats in the back.
They're going to do a bit of reversing. And we were saying about the owners of these vehicles, they are enthusiasts. And you can tell people about their exhibits, you know, however he got it, story behind it, who restored it, what happened in the past, how did they get it, what did it,